a very warm welcome from my kitchen. I'm Chef Ananya, and as you can see, there's a very special guest today with me.
Hi, my name is Shogini, and I am a very inspired chef by this chef. I'm also a Bengali chef. I'm based in London, and I thought, what better than to meet up with Chef Ananya when I'm in Mumbai?
Keeping that theme in mind, I'm doing an old recipe which is fulgopi roast. How does that sound?
It sounds amazing,
Yeah.
and I love fulgopi because it's very winter seasonal.
Yeah, it's
It's so good.
so let's get started. For fulgopi roast, of course, you need fulgopi.
Fulgopi.
Yeah. So I'm going to take the florets out, and she's going to make a fabulous dip with the
All
leaves
of the
and
outside.
stem, so nothing is wasted.
And
This
then
is yours.
This
and
is my
mine.
present. Yes, exactly. I actually like breaking them by hand
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it makes
Then it's more whole.
yeah.
Boiling hot water, adding a bit of salt, and dipping my cauliflowers in this.
So it's a kind of parboiling.
So basically, for the roast, I need to prepare a marinade or a masala. Basically, a masala
Okay.
paste. I'll just add few cashews, few raisins, and charmogod. It's melon seeds.
Melon seeds, yeah.
And you can add a bit of posto here.
Mm.
That's poppy seeds also if you want. I'm adding some garam masala, cardamom, and cloves, and some cinnamon, some black pepper also. Okay. I'm adding some ginger paste, green chilies, and
Yogurt.
Yeah. It's done. Now let's start cooking. The quintessential mustard oil.
Yeah. I think I should become an advocate of mustard oil in the UK because I tell everybody to buy it.
Some jeera goes into this. Some garam masala like tej patta, whole tej patta, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and
Black
whole
pepper.
peppercorn. Yeah, black pepper. In this, I'm going to add the soaked cauliflower. Okay. We are using the florets here to make the fulgopi roast. She is making a lovely dip using the leaves and the stems.
So pata bata in Bangla means any leaf paste. So whatever vegetables you have, if it's mooli, gajar, anything, the tops of it can be used for something like this. You can have it as a dip with like crackers or bread. And to start with, I just break apart the leaves and I just start adding things into a blender. Adding quarter cup of milk. You can actually also add cream or double cream, and then you just blend this. Okay, so for the flavor part of this, once it's blended, a couple of green chilies and a handful of garlic cloves. So I like things quite garlicky. You can actually add a bit of ginger as well, but I like just the garlic flavor in this. About a teaspoon of salt. Some sugar, which is essential to balance. I'll add a bit of shorsha tel to blend.
The cauliflowers are nicely sauteed, and with a little bit of mustard oil, I'm trying to make the same effect. I'll add a little ghee in it. Now. If you can, or if you want to, you can deep fry this. No problem. And we'll talk about the roast now.
Yes.
So why is this called roast? Because it's pan roasted, I would say. But you could use the whole cauliflower
Absolutely.
and do the same treatment. Add the sauce on it and roast it in an oven. That
would be such a good way of doing this.
I'm adding the masala paste now on this.
Oh, yum. Okay, so this is the raw pata bata, and it's delicious if you just add a little bit of butter and put some penne through it. It's so good. I love eating it raw.
Yeah.
You can absolutely. It'd be so nice with some cashews.
Wow.
It's very pungent and sharp, and
Wow.
yeah, so it's really nice.
So you would like tempering in your bata.
Little bit of tempering, so not much. And into that, I'm gonna add a little pinch of kalo jeera, which is Nigella seeds or kalonji.
Kalonji.
Lots of different names, but just a pinch, and then let those sizzle. So with this, you kind of just want the water to evaporate. That's the main thing. It's just gonna become a little bit.
Yeah. It is almost done. Looks good. The oil is separating. At this stage, I'll add some sugar. I think mandatory in Bengali cooking.
Yeah. This is just for making it look a bit pretty. A bit of chili powder.
So guys, we have made 2 dishes, very different texture and technique, but yummy. And core is Bengali.
Very Bengali.
But you can have it the way you want to. This is cauliflower roast, Bengali style, and the pata bata. Fabulous. So if you like this video, do try this at home and do let me know how you liked it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.